when you have the ability to create a really beautiful connection with your customers, so it really even transcends the customer and business owner relationship, and it really becomes a genuine connection of people who are in a community together, guess what? That's going to mean great things for your bottom line. Is it something that you can measure in a very, very tangible way? It's difficult to do, but I can tell you that it means more to your business than most of you realize. So this is why I'm emphasizing this, because sometimes, and I'll give you an example, it's hard to see if, for example, a customer is leaving your store and they drop their juice on the ground and it breaks. And yeah, it was an accident. It wasn't your fault. And you could look and say, okay, I can replace their drink. They didn't ask for it, but that's going to cost me, $3. So the expense is very, very tangible. But what's intangible is, hey, if I actually go and replace that customer's drink, how great they're going to feel about my business and how much more often they're going to want to visit us. Or if they decide to tell an Instagram story about it, or if they talk to a friend and are just sharing what happened to their day and they said, oh, it was so nice that they did this for me, right? You don't know what the long-term value is of the impact of that gesture because it's hard to measure, but you can measure the loss. And so if you're just thinking about the metrics, you may not make that decision. Whereas I'm encouraging you guys to really move forward towards these elements that are unseen, because the things that oftentimes have the most intangible value lead to the most tangible value, which is your business being successful and you making more money.